Hey fam, welcome back. In today's video, I thought I would share my tips and tricks for applying false eyelashes. I hear from so many of you that lashes are a struggle, and I know I usually do mine off camera. So I thought today I would apply lashes on camera and talk with you guys about the things that have helped me the most. So if that sounds interesting to you, go ahead and stay tuned. We're gonna get into it right now. If you are new to my channel, I happen to love false lashes. Do I think false lashes are required for a look? Absolutely not. In fact, I think this look is rather pretty even without false lashes. But if you like the look of false lashes, but you've just really been struggling with getting them on, I wanted to share with you what's helped me. I really like false lashes because I have naturally pretty small eyes, and I feel like lashes kind of help balance my face. I'm also really excited to let you guys know that the brand Pinkzio has sent me 3 beautiful pairs of their faux mink lashes. I will leave their website linked in the description box below. I was contacted by the brand and they kindly allowed me to choose one group of 3 lashes. I thought that these looked the most flattering for my eye shape. So let's talk about the lashes that they sent. I have tried 2 out of these 3 pairs and we're gonna try the 3rd one together tonight. I also love that all of these lashes come in these great sturdy cardboard care cases so that you can keep your lashes protected and in good condition. You can see that these lashes are more separated, they're very wispy and beautiful, and these are all faux mink styles. And I will read you how the website describes these lashes. Priceless beauty stays forever. For the Forever Minky false eyelashes, there is no exception. These 3-layered round lashes with feathery, wispy clusters are made using top quality faux mink. They are a must-have for your beauty box. It highlights your face, making it more attractive since it can add depth and dimension to the eyes. If you are going for an audacious and sensual appearance, look no further. These are Mega Volume 3D Faux Mink Black Band. They are Mega Volume, super fluffy and dramatic. Tousled tapered end as real mink lashes. You can wear them 10 to 15 times with proper care, and the length is 5 to 15 millimeters. I tried the Forever Minky style in my BoxyCharm video and I thought the look was really beautiful. The next style that they sent is Forever Mystery. This style is definitely a little bit more fluffy and wispy and dramatic. Accentuate your eyes with deep mystery, premium quality false lashes. A perfect fit if you desire to have wing style lashes to give your eyes a mysterious, sensual charm. With the inner lashes short and the longer flaring ends, you give it a natural aura yet packed with drama. The 3-layered 3D features are just the right voluminous effect that will make your eyes pop. Full yet light with a fabulous eye-opening flutter. If you like the effects of 11 to 18 millimeter false eyelashes, then enhance your amazing style with Pinkzio's Deep Mystery fake eyelashes. These are also Mega Volume 3D False Mink Black Band, Mega Volume Super Fluffy and Dramatic, tousled taper end as real mink lashes, wear 10 to 15 times with proper care, and the length is 11 to 18 millimeters. I really enjoyed wearing this style with the look I did with the Pinky Rose palette. I thought that these lashes were a really beautiful complement to that look. And then the style that we're gonna try tonight is called Runway Hit. These are also a really full and fluffy style, kind of spiky. Need new lash inspiration for your eyes? You can never go wrong with Runway Hit fake eyelashes. It has amazing features appreciated by most lash lovers since it has super curls and just the right amount of volume to make your eyes stand out like models on a runway. The dark band is flexible and comfortable without interrupting your eye look. Its top-notch faux mink quality is super soft and uniquely designed to give your lashes a luxurious feel. Don't be shy, steal the stage with Runway Hit false lashes. Mega Volume 3D Faux Mink Black Band, Mega Volume Super Fluffy and Dramatic, tousled tapered end as real mink lashes, wear 10 to 15 times with proper care, and this length is 7 to 16 millimeters. I'm gonna zoom you guys in so we can put these on. So my first tip to applying false eyelashes is start with good lash glue. I personally would not apply my false eyelashes with just any lash glue. I only trust the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. I've tried several. This is the one I keep coming back to. If you guys know of a great lash glue, definitely let me know in the comments down below, but Kiss is where my heart is. So I would not bargain shop. This is gonna be your best friend when it comes to eyelashes. My second tip is to play around with different styles. Certain shapes and sizes are gonna flatter your eyes more than others, and it takes testing them out to find out the one that's gonna work best for you. I have found for my eye shape, I like to use lashes that look like this, that are a little bit shorter on the inside and flare a little longer on the outside. They just really seem to flatter my particular eye shape. But some people look a lot better with the longer lashes in the center and shorter on each side. You just kind of have to play around to see what's right for you. My third tip is patience. What used to foil me a lot when it came to applying false eyelashes was that I would try to put the glue on and then smack them right on my eyes, and that is a recipe for disaster, frustration, and even a potentially ruined eye look. So definitely have some patience once you put the glue on your lashes. And my 4th tip is practice. I don't know anybody who's good at something the first time they try it. Maybe there are some savants out there, but that was not me. It took me practicing putting on eyelashes to get more comfortable with them, and now I feel like I can pop them on in my sleeve. Speaking of popping on lashes, let's go ahead and apply these. So here's our first lash. I'm gonna grab my Kiss lash glue, and it comes with this little brush. I am just going to run my brush along the inside of this band. You don't want to do too thick of a layer, but you don't want to do too thin of a layer or it won't really stick. And it's cool, most lash glues, Kiss especially, will show up a little bit purple. So it helps you to kind of see where you're applying the product. Again, I'm just running it right along the lash band. Particularly, you want to pay attention to the ends. Make sure you have some glue there because I often will have trouble with lashes popping up at the end of the bands, and that can be frustrating. So that is basically what it should look like. I pick up my Kiss Lash Glue at CVS, so it should be available to you locally and be fairly easy to get your hands on. So now that we have the glue on, what I like to do is grab either end, because we need this glue to dry anyway. We're just gonna roll like this. I'm just gripping the lash on either side between my two fingers, and I'm basically just going like this. And it gives you something fun to do while your lash glue is starting to set. So I just roll, 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 roll. And I feel like this helps to kind of get the lash flexible. It helps to bend it more into the shape of my eye so I can place it a little bit more easily. I feel like it helps me to place it on my eye a lot better too. And it just keeps it a little bit more flexible. You'll also start to see the lash glue sort of change a little bit of color as it dries. So it's very purple right now. As it starts to dry, it'll get a little bit more clear. So we're just gonna keep rolling. It really does take a little bit for lashes, for the glue to set. You can even set like a timer on your phone, pop on a YouTube video. Drying, 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 drying. You really do have to have patience because you want the glue to be sticky. That way it won't fight with you so much or be popping off and sliding all over the place and messing up your eyeshadow. Just give it some time, girl, give it some time. You can also use tweezers if you want to put them on, but I find that I feel like I have a bit more control with my finger, and then I'll go back in either with my nails because they're kind of long, or I'll go in with tweezers and just kind of press it against my lashes once I set it on my eye. So we've given this some time, and you'll notice it's not quite as purple as it was. It's kind of starting to, I mean, you can still see the purple, but it's not as like thick looking as it was. So let's give applying this a try. So we are just going to set this right on top of our eye. Another thing that you can do is to measure this before you put glue on. I won't be cutting any of these lashes, so I don't need to measure them, but that is a great way to just sort of test them. And then you can see I'm reaching underneath. In the beginning, you have a little bit of wiggle room because the glue is not totally set yet. So just play around with it, press it down against your lid with either tweezers or your finger. And then I reach underneath and press it against my natural lash. Like so. And that's how simple it is. Just press down. And there's your lash. This lash is so pretty, if I didn't already say that. I think it's perfect for this look. And there you have it. It's a little tedious, but it's not nearly as scary as it can sometimes feel. I know I used to be a complete disaster with lashes, and some days I still am, to be honest. Practice does make perfect. If you've been curious about lashes and you want to play with lashes, I encourage you to try. Maybe try with some inexpensive pairs. I know TJ Maxx often has some great options for like $4. Kiss Lashes are in CVS, and I like them a lot as well. I think they're very luxurious for something that you can find at the drugstore. Obviously, these Pinkzio lashes are fantastic. Each of these pairs ranges for only $14.99. I feel like they look very luxurious and high-end, but they're not like as expensive as a Lily lash or something like that. I think that they are such pretty lashes. I've really enjoyed all 3 pairs I tried. They're comfortable and they fit my small eyes, and they would definitely fit larger eyes as well. So I hope that the tips and demo applying false lashes was really helpful for you guys. A very special thank you to Pinkzio for sending over these beautiful lashes. If you are a creator and you love false lashes, definitely reach out to Pinkzio on Instagram and let them know. I know that they are definitely looking to work with more creators. I will leave their Instagram and website in the description box below. I thank you all so much for being here with me today. I love you all so much, and until the next video, bye.